Once again, 6, 0, 1, 3, 2.
Exclusive fitness studio, we have Coach Roxky. Ayan.
Alright. For 1 hour, 10 minutes from Team Salongas, Gilton Magdaraog.
Coach Roxy, Coach, anong mapapayo mo sa ating mga runners for 1 hour, 20 minutes target time?
Chill lang po tayo, enjoy, kasi chill pace lang tayo, sexy pace lang tayo for today.
There you
Yan,